Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Muna, also known as Afroliciousmuna on Instagram. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I grew back my edges fast. Yes. Recently, I scraped off all my edges. Have you ever been in a situation whereby you're battling to grow back your edges? Or have you been finding it difficult to grow back your edges? Then this video is for you. Do well to watch it till the end. And if you're a new subby, if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Here I'll be making use of my rice water onion juice recipe. If you want to know how I made this recipe, I'm going to link it in the cards above. And this recipe have been sitting and fermenting for 1 month plus. The potency is so high. I'll also be making use of my Derma roller, which is the king of the show. The king of the show. And then I'll be making use of my aphrodisiac revitalizing hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is the bomb. It's made of AMLA and tea tree. Very, very important ingredients that are needed to grow back your edges and stimulate hair growth. This oil is a must have. It's actually my sister's oil. She made this oil. You really need to get it. Then peppermint essential oil, and then a cotton wool, and finally a mixing bowl. So that's how the rice water looks like so. It has been fermenting for over a month now. So I'll be putting it now, taking some in and put inside my mixing bowl. So do well to watch how I prepared this. So that's all I've been able to take for now. The next thing I'll be doing now is adding 5 to 10 drops of my peppermint essential oil. Findings published in toxicological research say that peppermint oil solution led to more hair growth than minoxidil. And minoxidil is a hair growth product approved by the FDA. Peppermint essential oil helps to stimulate hair follicles, which in turn leads to hair growth. You can imagine the benefits of peppermint essential oil. So that's how my edges is looking right now. We're trying our best. It's getting there. So now I'm dipping the cotton wool inside the mixture. So that's my edges. When I first scraped everything off, the time I scraped it off at the beginning, you can see that I am not rubbing, I am dabbing. I am dabbing this mixture on my scalp. I did not rub it. If you rub it, it can also cause friction, which in turn can cause damage to your fragile edges. So please just dab. I'm also applying some on my scalp as well. You can apply some on your scalp. Now, what's the benefit of the AMLA and tea tree contained in this growth oil? So I allowed it to dry for like 7 minutes. So that's the growth oil. Now I'm going in with the growth oil. AMLA, the phyto-nutrients, vitamins and minerals present in AMLA help in increasing the scalp circulation and stimulate healthy growth. Also, vitamin C present in AMLA produces collagen protein, which helps in stimulating hair growth, both length and also volume. So I've added that, dab it a little bit. Then the tea tree oil also is excellent for your hair. Tea tree oil helps to increase blood flow to the area wherever it's applied. And this in turn can improve the conditions of the hair follicles, which promote healthy hair growth. So I went ahead to add a little bit of my onion oil. If you want to see how I make this, I'm going to link it in the description box below so you can watch how to make your onion oil. Onion oil can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair. Before I go further with onion oil, That is the Derma roller. I'm going in with the Derma roller now, which is the king of the show. I'll do it vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. The principle actually behind Derma roller is this. Derma roller helps to it creates micro tear on your skin or wherever it's used on, and you know that when you get injured, your body tends to do what? To heal itself. That's actually the principle behind it. So aside from collagen production in the skin, which is thought to underline one of the reasons it may be beneficial for acne scars, it is thought that microneedling can also help induce stem cells in the hair follicles that may lead to hair growth. So microneedle or Derma roller is very essential for you to have it if you really want to grow your edges back. It's going to induce the stem cells in your hair follicles and then lead to hair growth, which will grow back your edges fast in no time. So the tea tree, like I was telling you before, helps to increase blood flow to your scalp. This in turn can improve the conditions of the hair follicles, which promote healthy hair growth. What about rice water? Studies have found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. It even protects hair from future damage. So you can see now that how you can see the combo now, mixing rice water and onion juice. You can see the powerful combo. So onion juice and even the oil can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. The sulfur from onions may also help promote collagen production. Collagen in turn helps in the production of healthy skin cells and hair growth. So I went ahead to massage my scalp also, and then I am trying to add pressure to some chakra points on my scalp. So those chakra points, as you add pressure on those chakra points, they also help to stimulate your scalp and then stimulate the flow of oxygen and blood on your scalp, which in turn will lead towards hair growth and then growing back your edges. After the application, perhaps it's night time, what you do is this. Don't go to bed without this. I'm going to show you now. Don't go to bed without wearing anything and leaving your scalp, your hair like that. No. Tie a satin scarf or a satin band on the edges first. Not too tight. So I'm tying a satin band now on my edges. After which I'll go ahead with my satin bonnet. You can see my satin bonnet is already very big and it has lose its elasticity. So it's called patala. So what I do is I don't ever do not place your satin band on your edges. Do not do that. Move it forward and then you are good to go. So I placed it in front. I did not place it on my edges. Note. So I place it in front and then I'm good to go. You can go to bed this way. And that's all about it. So please, guys, also try to apply conditioners too. When you're conditioning your hair, do not leave your edges out. Do not leave it out. Please take care of your edges. Try this recipe. And so that's all about the video. Thank you all so much. That's all about the video. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and also turn on the post notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And do not forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. So how have you been caring for your edges? Have you tried using AMLA oil or peppermint essential oil? How have you been caring for your edges? So let's meet in the comment section to discuss this. So guys, thank you all so much. See you in another video.